Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to wire up and connect one of these Kauden shielded Cat6 plugs. They're designed as two parts. You have the main plug itself and a loading bar. So this would be the main, this is the main plug here. This as such, and then you've got the loading bar. Here. The way to connect these up are as follows. These particular plugs are designed for cables that are no more than 6.5 millimeters in diameter and no more than 1.1 millimeter in copper cores. I normally take off about 15 millimeters, slightly more, of the outer sheath off, just so I can work with getting the cores straightened up and in the right sort of order. So you'll have 4 pairs. You have orange pair, green pair, blue pair, and brown pair. And the configuration would be as follows. You'll have white orange, followed by orange, followed by white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and then brown. So I will take all these wires in that order and try and straighten them up nicely. And once I've got them aligned in the order I need, I will cut it down to about that sort of length, which is about 10 mil, about 1 centimeter. I'll remove off the excess cores, as such. I'll take the loading bar with this slightly pointy, like tilted, slopey bit facing up towards you. I'll just insert these wires straight through into the loading bar as such. So basically what you have are 2 orange cores there, 2 blue ones in the middle, 2 brown ones at the end, and then you'll have the green ones having slid down. Such. Then what you'll do is you'll take the plug, and with the pointy bit facing you again, you will insert that into the plug as such, right through to the end, and then you should have the cores touching the end of the plug there, as so. Once that's done, you're ready to crimp. Take your crimp tool, insert it into the crimper, and give it a good press. I'm not going to do this because the cable itself is just a test cable, no point wasting a good plug, but that's pretty much how these are done. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.